Hi everyone, welcome to my new channel Electrical Code. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos. So, to start off things, we can open Google, Safari, any browser you want, and search on tinkercad.com, and wait for it to download. So this is the main page you'll find when you're signed in. So you're not signed in, so we'll go to logout. So to show you how we sign in. Okay, that's it now. That's the main page you'll find when you're not signed in. So you press join now. By the way, the link is in the description down, and the account for my account is in the description also. If you want any questions or something like that, create a personal account. So we have lots of options here. Sign in with Google. I'll go with Google. You can go with anything you want. And wait, yeah, there's it. So that's the page you'll find. A moment, yeah, there's it. We don't want redesigns or co-blocks or lessons, so we'll go with circuits and create a new circuit. Need download. Okay. Um. Three things before we start. You have to make the components to all, and all changes saved. You don't have to save. The good thing, you don't have to save anything here. Everything is automatically saved. Every step. So, and you can also change the project's name. It's Brilliant Snicket. That's the default. I can change it. Me, for example. Yeah, there you go, me. So, we'll start off by a battery and electricity source. 9-volt battery will be a lot. So, 1.5 will be the perfect. And then the LED light, the output, and the resistor. Yeah, it's right there. First thing, and the piezo. Yeah, piezo. Okay, so we're all set up. Now we need to connect them. So the LED has many lights. You can name it also. Name it anything you want. So that's the TH shape. And you can any blue, green, yellow. I'll go with blue. So and the piezo is a bell. It doesn't make the same sound as a bell, but it makes sound. It's the only thing that makes sound. So okay, then yeah, okay. The LED light will the resistor slows down the flow of electricity. If the electricity is so fast, it can burn the light bulb. So the resistor, there it is. So nothing is burned. Yeah. Okay. The red is always the positive, and black is the negative. So we'll take it from the positive and here terminal 2 and negative with terminal 1. Okay, let's make it straight. Yeah, everything's perfect. Okay, good. So you see these two black gray lines? These are metal pieces in real life. So in this metal piece, all the positive energy that came through that wire is stored here. And the same thing here, but it's negative energy. So maybe to make it easier, we can make this red and that one black. Okay, and then go to the LED light. We'll take here from the positive to the long leg, which is this one, the curved one, and then from the negative to the short one, which is not curved, and start the simulation. You see this small white spot? If I stop the simulation, it's gone, and it's back again. It's done, back again. Okay, so that's it for the light bulb. Then if we go to the piezo, we can delete these wires. Yeah, delete, delete. Okay, so let's put this aside and bring the bell, which is the piezo in this. So that's the negative here, and that's the positive. We'll bring the positive to the negative and the negative to the positive, and start the simulation. You can hear the voice. It's so that's the end of our video today. I hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching.